Are you always on the move like me? Then you know how crucial it is to have a pair of reliable earbuds that can keep up with your busy lifestyle. And for me, Raycon Everyday Earbuds are as reliable as it gets. I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today, I will be reviewing Raycon earbuds to see if they are the perfect audio companion for those non-stop days. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Raycon, so lots of thanks to them for supporting my channel. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Alright, let's dive in and find out. Okay, so the folks at Raycon kindly sent me their new everyday earbuds and the protective case to try out. Let's dive into this unboxing and see what these earbuds are all about. First off, I went for the sleek black earbuds. And just look at this packaging. Pretty neat, right? Inside, there is a blue pocket with a user guide that has all the helpful info you will need. But enough about that, let's get to the goodies. Right away, you can see the two earbuds nestled nicely in the box. Alongside them, there are two smaller boxes. The first one has the charger, and the second box includes extra ear tips in different sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. Now, as I mentioned, Raycon also hooked me up with a protective case. I chose the cool concrete color, and I have to say the earbud case fits perfectly inside this protective case. On top of that, it gives the whole setup a really stylish look. Plus, there is a handy strap you can attach to the case for extra convenience. Okay, now let's talk about the features that I really loved. First of all, this is pretty obvious as soon as you take these earbuds into your hands. And this is a great design. The Raycon Everyday Earbuds are designed with your comfort in mind. And they seriously deliver. When you pop these earbuds in, you will notice they fit snugly and feel incredibly natural in your ears. No more worrying about them slipping out during your workout or daily commute. These bad boys stay put no matter how active you get. But the comfort doesn't stop there. The gel tips on the Raycon Everyday Earbuds are like soft little pillows for your ears. You can use them for hours without feeling any discomfort. These earbuds are perfect for all aspects of your life. And I mean, you might be sweating it out at the gym, traveling the world, or just kicking back and relaxing. No matter what you do, the Raycon Everyday Earbuds will keep you comfy and ready to enjoy your music. And with the quick charge feature, just 10 minutes of charging time gives you 1.5 hours of battery life. That's right, you can power up your earbuds during a commercial break and have enough juice to binge watch your favorite show. And get this, they are not just comfortable, they have an IP66 rating, and it's actually pretty cool. Basically, it means that these earbuds are both water resistant and dust proof. So when you're working up a sweat at the gym or get caught in a rainstorm, you don't have to worry about your earbuds calling it quits on you. They are designed to keep working perfectly no matter what you throw at them. Folks, I think this durability makes the Raycon Everyday Earbuds an excellent choice, especially for anyone with an active lifestyle. You can count on them to deliver your favorite tunes and podcasts, whether you are out on a jog, hiking in the mountains, or just kicking back at home. And there is another thing, guys. We all know how annoying it can be when outside noise ruins your listening experience. But these earbuds have got your back. With their advanced noise cancellation technology, the Raycon Everyday Earbuds block out all that background noise, so you can fully immerse yourself in your music, phone calls, or whatever else you are focusing on. No more struggling to hear your favorite song while you are on the bus or trying to catch up with a friend in a noisy place. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Folks, as a content creator, my lifestyle can get really hectic. Between filming, editing, and constantly being on the go, it's crucial for me to have reliable, high-quality earbuds with me wherever I go. And that's where Raycon Everyday Earbuds come in. First off, they are super convenient and fit snugly in my ears, which means they don't fall out when I am rushing. Next, the sound quality is top-notch, which is essential when I am editing videos and need to hear every detail clearly. Another thing I love, friends, is their battery life. I really can use them for hours without needing to charge, which is perfect for long days of filming and editing. Plus, they are wireless, so I don't have to deal with tangled cords slowing me down. And the best part, they are budget-friendly. Compared to other high-quality options on the market, Raycon earbuds offer great value without compromising on performance. And this means I get pretty good quality without breaking the bank. So there you have it, folks. The earbuds are good for anyone who wants high-quality, comfortable, and feature-packed earbuds. With their long battery life, fast charging, ergonomic design, easy connectivity, durability, and noise cancellation, these earbuds have everything you need for an amazing listening experience. So I would definitely recommend this to my friends, especially if you are always on the go like me, and they just work great in any situation. So guys, if you want to improve your listening experience, the Raycon Everyday Earbuds are available now. Don't miss out on the chance to enjoy incredible sound and comfort. Get yours today and see the difference for yourself. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time!